Hi, this is got a seal out on this Nissan Armada. It's a two-wheel drive. It's got the seal that goes behind the oil filter, behind the oil cooler is out, and we're gonna replace that. Let me show you how it's pretty simple. You just need a 22 millimeter socket. You gotta unscrew the oil filter. You disregard the oil filter. I already drained the oil. And then you gotta get a socket. Let's see. Slides on there. That's it right here. Get it broke loose. And you can do it by hand once you get it broke loose. Unscrew this bolt. And this is a center bolt, the same bolt that the oil filter screws onto. There's a two-sided bolt. There we go. Pulled it out. See what the bolt looks like? It's just a bolt. Threads on one side for the oil filter, threads into the block on the other side. And then you pull this loose and you pull it up, and then the O-ring just falls off the back side. It has got a little groove that the O-ring goes in this little groove over here. You can't see it from there, but there's the old O-ring. Gotta be sure to clean all the surfaces up. And be sure to clean the groove. The O-ring fits into really good. Clean around it. Clean it up. This is just a flat surface that it screws onto. Gotta clean it good. Make sure it's clean. Alrighty. Nice and clean. New O-ring. Take a little oil on a paper towel. Put it on your new O-ring. Nothing stand up work. Be sure the thing's in there correctly. Then shove that back. The bolt. Put it in there. Does that not feel right? Okay. Double check the O-ring, be sure it's all just right and not get grit on it. Yeah, okay. It's all gray. There you go. The branch tighten up. 3-inch.
tightened up. Wipe it off again. Be sure you get dirty oil off of it, because that's the seal where the oil filter will sit. Alright, here we go.
Putting oil on the oil filter so it won't take as much oil. To fill it up, be sure you have the oil on the seals.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, greasy fingers. Stupid. Come on, hand, work. Stupid right hand's useless. Can't turn anything with right hand.
My left hand on it. I can't tighten it in my right hand. Right hand's useless. Guard, get my left hand on it. Okay, let's tighten it up.